The oldest trick in magic, in fact, it is called the mystery of the magical cups. Now, all you need for this trick itself are three. Stacy, right? I looked over there, I saw you, man. I haven't forgotten about your pen, okay? We're going to do just a few more tricks. I promise you we'll get back to it. Okay, here we go. So, all you need for this trick are three cups, three balls, and a magic wand. Okay, it's a metal stick. Here we go. I do play as fair as I can. It's wit, right?
Yeah.
Wit, do you know how to catch? Can you stand up for me? Do you see this ball? On the count of three, I'm going to toss this ball to you. Can you see it okay? If you catch this ball in the air before it hits the ground, you're going to win $50, okay? That's $50 from that guy right there. Because it gives you a better chance. Are you ready? On the count of three. 1, 2, 3. With my apologies, man. You see, I waited too long. It's already back on its cup. Here we go. I know, you're right there. Here we go. This trick is very simple. In fact, all you need are three cups, three balls, the magic wand. All you do is you put a ball inside of your hand, you tap, and the ball vanishes. Second ball, in case you didn't know what to expect, it vanishes. The last ball, all you have to do is blow, and the ball disappears. I'll get it later. It doesn't matter, I'll show you why. It doesn't matter because the balls do come back to their cups. That's ball 1, ball 2, and ball number 3. Now I do play as fair as I can. You, sir, since I picked on you, what's your name? Did you say Holman? Coleman. Very good, Coleman. We put a ball underneath each cup. Coleman, I am going to take my jacket off for this because I'm not, actually, let me separate, get a marker out of there because we're going to need it for later, okay? Very good, Coleman. I am going to take my jacket off because this makes it a little cooler up here. We're going to need this. Coleman, we place the ball underneath each cup. This is cup 1, cup 2, cup 3. Or cup A, B, C. Coleman, choose a cup. This one right here? Very good. Coleman, watch closely. If I tap 2 and I tap 3, the ball travels from cup 2 over to cup 3. Now, Coleman, people do ask me, they say, well, what if you would have chose the other cup, right? And then all I would have had to have done was tap in the ball. Listen, Coleman, I'm going to explain to you how the trick is done, okay? At least the idea. The idea is that the cups, they are made from a very soft metal, okay? So soft, in fact, that this cup can actually pass through the center of that cup. I know, right? Listen, if that didn't convince any of you the other way, is with the solid wand. You see, the harder I hit the cup, the easier it is for me to pass it through the top as well. Make sense, Coleman? Yeah, it doesn't make sense to me, man, but I'm going to show you what I mean. Coleman, how many balls are on top of the center cup? I want everybody to watch closely. All I do is I cut that ball and I tap, Coleman. Do you know what happens? No, Coleman, it goes through. Listen, man, weren't you paying attention with the stick? Look, Coleman, I'm going to play fair, okay? I'm going to remove a ball. I'm going to remove a cup. I'm not even going to use the stick, okay? 2 cups, 2 balls, but you've got to watch closely. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, folks. This is the most amazing part right here. I guarantee that if each one of you pays attention, each one of you will be amazed. Are you ready, Coleman? Very good. I cover each ball with a cup. All I do is snap my fingers, and the 2 balls switch places. Now you gotta say it. Here we go, Coleman. I want you to watch, and I want you to listen. Emphasis on listen because I will help you with the rest of the trick, okay? Coleman, I make it as fair as I can. If I remove this ball, Coleman, and I tap the cup, how many balls are now underneath the cup? 1. Very good, Coleman. Coleman, if I remove the ball and I tap this cup, how many, Coleman? No, Coleman, listen, man, I'm helping you. Coleman, where are you from? What part? Anderson Township, awesome, man. I'll go slower. Coleman, I put both of the way. Here we go. How many, Coleman? No, Coleman. Orange. See, look at that. You had a good chance. You wouldn't have gotten it anyway. going to try it with the hat, okay? We try it with the hat. Coleman, how many balls are on the table? 2. Very good, Coleman. Coleman, how many balls are in the hat? 0. Everybody watch closely. All I do is I cover those 2 balls with the hat. Coleman, I tap the hat. How many balls are now underneath the hat? Coleman, there's 4, man. 4. Coleman, I put those there. I didn't know if you saw me or not, man. You know why I did that, Coleman? Misdirection. See, not only did you see me hide the extra balls under the hat, so did everybody watching the show. And what that means is for that moment, each and every one of you lost focus of the cups. Coleman, while nobody was focused on the cups, you see, that's when I hit another orange underneath the one. That's how the trick is done. Understand, Coleman? Apparently that only impresses him. Okay, here we go.